All right, my peeps, I have another mystery box. I spent $15 on this. Yesterday, I went to this place in Glassboro. I took a little video for you. It's called Brown's Bargain Barn. They have bins, and then they're open 4 days a week. Every day the bins get cheaper and cheaper. It's like $7 the first day, $5 yesterday. Today, I guess, is $3. Tomorrow will be $1. What they do, all the stuff that doesn't sell, they make mystery boxes. And so my expectations aren't super high because these were probably the items that didn't sell for $1. But it's really heavy. It was $15 for a mystery box. I love a mystery box. And I will tag the people in it. It's a great little store. They have stuff that's not in bins that you can buy. And they also give you free popcorn, which was delicious. I love popcorn. So we're going to see what's in the box. I love mystery boxes. There's a lot in here. There we go. It was very heavy. Holy moly, it's packed. What do you need this for? So there are 3 boxes of numbing cream. What do you need numbing cream for? I don't know what you need to do with that, but 3 boxes of numbing cream. A Halloween bandana for the doggy. This will fit Glizzy. It's so little. Oh, that's cute. Cough and throat soother for dogs. I have 2 dogs. And then my daughter has a dog, so we have 3 dogs. Huh. Is Cat and Jack. I think that's a Target brand. Scrunchies. Oh, they're cute. Another one. There's 2 exactly those. There's a lot of doggy stuff. Thank God we have doggies. Oh, this is for large dogs, which are my dogs are large. It's another bandana. Little blue and white stripe. What's in here? Oh, these are nice. It's a whole bag of these gold clips. They're pretty, aren't they? 7 of them. They're really nice. They're fancy. They're fancy clips. Oral Armor. I don't have anybody that uses these right now. I mean, when you guys played soccer, they tried to make it red, remember? Oh, here's another bag of them. Oh, these ones are larger, I think. I'm not going to rip it open. It's another bag of the clips. So 2 bags of clips. Another box of numbing cream. What am I doing? Numbing cream. This is a little tray. It has little paper clips on it. I guess it's a catch-all tray. Another box of numbing cream. We are killing it with numbing cream. What the hell is this? Oh, it's for your, what does it say on the side? It's for your like Stanley.
Yeah, you pull it like that and you put snacks in it.
Oh, you put your Stanley in there, or whatever drinking cup you have, and then you put your snacks in there. That's fun. And then this, I think, is also
snack there, and your straw goes through the hole.
Oh.
It's a one inside of the 3.
I never drink water or carry those cups, but someone might. More numbing cream. All right, another box of waxing cream. It says it's lidocaine. I guess for tattoo waxing and laser. It's like a little birthday bag. It's invitations and goodie bags, I think. And there are 4 of these. Let's see what these are. These look like little kid outfits or something. Oh, they are. They're little rompers. There's 4 little, aren't these cute little rompers? I don't know what this is. Let's open it up. It is, oh, it's a heart keychain with a little mirror, and then it's like a little wallet. There's a lot of these little pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This thing is packed. These are glass. This is why it's so heavy. So the little pumpkin, like candy dishes, there's 7 of them.
You should save them for Halloween and do prizes.
Oh, yeah. These would be good. You could fill them with candy for prizes. Oh, so there's 7 of those. All right. We got one of those pop sockets for Scorpio. My mom's a Scorpio.
This might be good for her.
Oh, to hold her phone. Yeah. A dental care kit. Here, this is crazy. Ooh. Nail art. That's fun. Micro USB charging cable. There's a little bag. I'll just take it out of. Little puffs. What's the expiration date? Like, do I have to throw those out?
No, it expires in a month, but were you planning on eating these?
No, I didn't know it was expired. Sensory tongs. Huh. Just for like a little kid to play with. They're sensory. There is hundreds of antlers in here. That's what's going to be most of this box. When you see the antlers, what is this? This is, I don't know. These are all the time. They are. What the hell is that? Yeah, you can see through it. What do you...
Adapter connector.
It's an adapter connector. Just what I needed.
14mm male or to 18mm female.
Huh. We got a green candle. Wait till you see. Is that all that's in here now, the rest of this box? It is. Oh my gosh. There is probably 50 of these Merry Christmas tiaras and or antlers. What do we do with these?
I don't know, that's a lot.
Look at them all. That's the entire rest of the box. But I don't want to. Look at them all. Ridiculous. All right, that is everything in the box for 15 bucks. What do you guys think? But for 15 bucks, I mean, I can be numbing forever, all day. 2, 4, 6 boxes of numbing cream. So when I get my eyebrows done, I'm just not gonna be able to move my face. Anyway, that's my mystery box. Oh, and I'll put in the link where the place is if you guys want to go to the bin store. It was a great little place, nice people, free popcorn. Go check them out in Glassboro.